Welcome welcome to this tutorial 57. So in this tutorial we talking about the flag. In previous tutorial we talking about the text history part. In this tutorial we talking about this flash tag. So select this and going to this is part number 2. This is पार्ट नंबर 1 मैंने पहले ही किया हुआ था इसे, तो ये number of parts in assembly. So this is part 1 and part 2. So this is the use of this flag command. So and we have to insert some other axis like this. This is the main axis of this drawing, so we have to insert some other axis. So go to the command axis system and origin. We select this point as origin. So we axis x-axis, this is x-axis. So हमको अगर ये x-axis की डायरेक्शन चेंज करनी हो तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे सीधे से रिवर्स. This is the x-axis, so reverse, no selection. This is the x-axis, so this is x-axis, this is, and reverse this direction. So we see this is x, this is y, and z को हमने उस डायरेक्शन में लगाना है. So this is the part we made it with the new axis. So press OK. This is new axis is formed. As we select this axis, this y z plane, for some sketching the drawing, simply select this plane or this axis system y z and go to the sketch, and we y z system. Look, this is the y z system, and go to the sketch and NUD sketch, and we can extrude this at this axis. Look, this axis and this sketch is on this axis, not this one. कितना सही पार्ट है? I think this is